Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am going to show you an in-depth review and swatches of the Natasha Denona Glam Face Palette. I just received this not too long ago. You probably seen that video of my unboxing with DD5 Ida, and I will have her channel link down below and also at the end card at the end of this video in case you haven't seen it yet. I did wear the palette for my first time on that video, on the try on video. But yeah, go check that out if you hadn't already. But yeah, I wanted to do more in depth of this palette because it is so beautiful and I've been using it every day since. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, so we have a cream blush and we have a highlight and we have 5 different shades of eyeshadow. Sorry. It is, I'm going to hold it upside down so you don't get the reflection as much from the mirror. Maybe not. Okay, hold up. I'm trying here. All right, so we have the inner corner. And this is what it's labeled as, like what she calls it. You don't have to use them like they say, but inner corner, transition, crease, outer corner, and smoke. And I did that with this eye look I created today. And I got little clips of that. But we have 3 mattes and 2, I would say it's more than a shimmer, but this is the eye look. And I love it for everyday use. It is a $62 palette. I looked it up and I think it's worth it. I mean, like, I know I received this for a gift, but like I think I've actually bought Natasha Denona for her before on an eyeshadow palette. No, I think it was Huda Beauty. I don't know, but I would pay that much for a good quality eyeshadow palette, and since this is an everyday palette, I've actually been using it here lately since, you know, I like color. I've been using it with this Dumbo palette. Yeah, it has vibrant shades in it. I have used it with the red, the yellow, the more of a neutral type of pink and purple. I haven't tried the blues yet, but I wanted to use this blue today, but since I'm doing this video just dedicated to the Natasha Denona palette, I didn't today, but I will be tomorrow. But yeah, it's a good palette for everyday use. You can do it on its own every day, or you can match it up with a more colorful palette and create some looks. Like normally I'll use that palette if I'm not just using this palette right here. I'm using that palette. I'll choose one color from that and I'll do the transition shade right here and I'll put the inner corner highlight. So these 2 colors is the ones I use the most out of this palette, but I do enjoy all of them. But I'm gonna do a little swatch now. So this is the cream blush. Alright, and this is Star Glow, the highlight. Very pretty. This is the inner corner, and it does have a little fallout on this corner. I mean, in this eyeshadow. The highlight in the inner corner is very similar, but the inner corner is just more sparkly or glittery. All right, transition. Let's see. This is the color Crease. And outer corner, and this shade or this shadow flakes the most. And it kind of comes off, but not really. You have to be careful with that shade. Let's just say that. It's not gonna stop me from using it because I don't mind if a little glitter flakes are down there, but just to let you know, it is the most fallout shade out of this palette. This one is not this is about half as bad as this one. And the last shade is Smoke. And there's the palette. Very pretty, neutral, can wear it with other palettes or use it alone. Great. So I would say the pros of it is it's pigmented, blendable, and if you had to have cons out of it, if you already have neutral palettes, you probably you don't need it, but I do like that it is in one palette, great quality, and you can pair it with other palettes. You probably already own these colors, and the best use is you can literally use it every day. You could go to work, it's neutral, anytime, day or night, easy looks. It's very easy, good to go, compact. There it is, it's ready to go, you know? It's a very good eyeshadow palette, and I definitely recommend it to anybody, as long as you have the money. I mean, it's not gonna change your life, but it will in a way. If you have the money, get it, but don't not pay a bill or something to get it. I mean, if you have the money, get it. That's all I'm saying. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye!